Well, welcome back to another Dyno Days video. Something a little bit different for what we usually do. Yes, that is not a Honda. That is a Mini R56. It's a 2006 and we're tuning it today. So we're using the Alien Tech kit, Winols, that sort of shebang, and seeing what we can get out of her. Now, mandate-wise, we want some flames if possible. It has got a straight-through exhaust, an induction kit, etc. So your basic breathing mods. We've already ran it on the dyno and it was up on power from stock, so we'll see what we can get. So yeah, nice car though. Let's do this. Right, so that's the Mini completed, and we've made 35 brake horsepower from a tune, which is not bad at all. The graph looks great. There's definitely more power across the rev range. We've got more torque as well. So pretty simple process this, because it's not live tuning like we normally do on the Hondas. It's files written and repeatedly flashed to the ECU, and then we make adjustments. So for example, when we first had it in, we knew that it was very, very rich top end. So we needed to make sure that it had more fuel. Couple of runs in, again, we wanted to level out the fuel, so that's what we did. But it's not like adjusting in the box. It's literally adjusting the file and flashing, running on the dyno and seeing how we get on. But that is the beauty of the dyno. We've got this data, we can make adjustments as we want. So yeah, several power runs in, and it looked like it was going well. So we added some pops and bangs. Whilst we've not got great big flames on this car, I think as the exhaust clears out and decokes itself, it might make some flame. So I've asked the customer that if he is out of an evening and anybody is recording him, if it drops a nice big flame, for me to send that. But yeah, there we go, R56 Mini tuned, some brake horsepower, some torque, some gurgles and pops and bangs and things. I think you'd be very happy, and the coal certainly go better. So if you've got one, give us a shout. But let's go look at the graph. Well, there we have it, guys. Say it with me. Red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves. Yeah, power across the rev range there, pretty happy with that. Finishing on just shy of 230. Again, happy with that. It's another one in the bag. If you've got a Mini, come at us. We love them. It looks awesome, doesn't it? For now, if you need any help or assistance, give us a shout. But if not, we'll see you on the next one.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynaday's Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynadays for their performance needs. Visit dynadaysperformanceparts.com and transform your drive today.